I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here today with the Duplo Wrecking Ball versus Deconstruction set. So the Duplo Wrecking Ball set is a very large set. It's also a little more expensive, but you get a lot here. A large tower with a lot of blocks and of course the wrecking ball. It's always fun to knock down some blocks here. But we have had both sets for over 3 years and they still are looking great. So you don't have to worry about them wrecking stuff for real. Now you get the little truck here with 3 stones and a little bulldozer, a cone, a fence and 3 characters. And when we look at the Lego construction set, let's move all these characters over a little bit. You get two characters, also with a shovel. Here are also 2 construction blocks for the little characters, and you have the same type of vehicles. So you can see these trucks are the same base, but the add-ons are a bit different here. So you get a few less blocks, only 1 stone here and 3 stones with this larger set, and 1 truck with a little smaller dump section. And also this excavator is the same base here as the bulldozer, but with a different top on there. So if you get both, they all work interchangeably, so you can create some cool new vehicles as well. So this is an excavator that works, and this one and this larger set has the bulldozer. So I really like the excavator because that actually works and can actually bend. So I think that's the best vehicle. But the wrecking ball set, well, it's pretty large, a little more expensive, but you get a lot more blocks here to work with.